Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some general information about all of our Kawasaki ZX-12 Swingarm Extensions. Alright, so starting out, just like with all of our other swing arm extensions, we got two finished options, the black powder coat and raw aluminum. This one's featuring our logo engraving at no extra charge. So with pretty much every single ZX model, they're all going to be on the same way. Right here is just what we call a retainer cap, and it's just how your left side extension is going to actually bolt onto the bike, just these two screws here. For the right side, you're going to have this little brake plate is what we call it, and it is going to actually act as your retainer cap, so it's going to hold it onto the bike while simultaneously allowing your caliper to slide in right here just like that. So what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard train's usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. As with everything we make, lifetime warranty. If there's ever any issues, don't hesitate, reach out, give me a call, email, whatever.